Thanks to Semji, you can create a relevant and optimized content plan, able to reach the top of Google's results. Let's see how to be efficient and save time on all the steps of your content preparation. Once you have launched your analysis, for example on the keyword content strategy, you will get in the draft and discover all the recommendations that Semji has generated for you. Go to the Competitors tab to see the result page as it was captured at the exact time of the analysis. Browse the competitors' angles. Here, I see that many of them have chose to write a definition. Several results also give concrete advice and steps to develop strategy. Finally, I see that the content plan is sometimes announced with numbers to attract attention. What I understand from this Google results page is that the internet user, when typing in this keyword, is certainly looking for concrete techniques, a methodology for designing his content strategy and obtaining results. This is an idea to angle my article and aim for the first position. Once you have defined it, don't forget to tag your main title in H1 markup. Then, to build your plan, analyze your competitors' content in a little more detail to get inspiration or to differentiate yourself. Keep in mind the concepts that interest you: audience, goal definition, types and content formats. Do this for each competitor so that you don't miss anything. Now, discover the recommendations. To build your plan, that is, the structure of your content, use a lot of search intents and questions. Search intents must be unlocked manually and use your dedicated credit balance. Add directly those that interest you in your content plan thanks to the plus button. The keyword in bold is then inserted and automatically formatted as heading 2, which means tagged in H2 markup. Build up your plan bit by bit using all the elements you want to talk about. A little tip: you can put several search intents or questions together in the same subheading. As soon as it is tagged, all the elements used are taken into account by Semji. And your content score evolves. If you want to identify the key themes or the original angles, click on the heat map to visualize the intents of competing content in the form of a color code. You can identify those that represent market niche, which competitors have not exploited. That's a good way to produce an original content.